Okay, today we're gonna be making some cassava cake using grated cassava flour. Grated cassava, and we're gonna put this caramelized young coconuts. Caramelized young coconuts. Gonna be steaming them with our steamer here. So we're gonna steam this thing. This is cassava, frozen cassava, grated cassava. I mix it with hayo or caramelized young coconuts with sugar. Now I'm gonna try to put this here. Oh, I forgot to put a string on it. So I can only put 4 of them. We'll cover it. We'll cook it for 1 hour or so when it's cooked. I'm using a Salad Master, by the way. These are Salad Masters. Titanium. These are titanium cookware. They're only the best. This is the grated cassava. Right there. Pinayod na kamuting kahoy. Kamuting kahoy. From Bulacan, Tatak Bulacan, grated cassava. Manyo frappe. Grated cassava. Sodium benzoate. Grated cassava and sodium benzoate. So yeah. This is the packaging. So we don't have a string coconut palm, so we use pandan leaves. Using pandan leaves just to so I can pick it up so it doesn't stick. Frozen pandan leaves. So this is how you do it. Put an X on it. Now you can put like that. With a bubble, an air bubble. You need some air. Now I can actually put more on top. More of this on top. Just like that. Just like that. Now I can arrange it here. Again, more. More coconuts. These are good caramelized coconuts. Just like that. We'll steam it like crazy, okay? I'm gonna steam it like crazy. Make sure there's oxygen on it. So if it's too yeah, we want oxygen. Like that. Nice caramel. Caramelized coconuts.
They complained about the uniforms, they complained about the flex, but that's fine, that's cool. I'm just rolling with the flow. I'm about to steal.
I think we can only put 3 at a time.
Got my laser focus, got my
Maybe 4.
clean,
Oh,
plotting
see
world
if it
domination.
fits 4. Maybe it will fit 4.
Heroes are assembling, they're wearing spandex pride. They think they've got a chance to stop my plan tonight. They're giving me the monologue, the one about the good. I'm checking my Apple Watch like, dude, I understood. It's the evil laugh.
Just like that.
The evil laugh. It's perfectly pitched.
More coconut caramel. This is called bukayo. I made it last night. So I need fiber. You need fiber, folks. Lots of fiber in your body. This is healthy stuff. This is good stuff. Now we bake it. I mean, we steam it like crazy. Pick. No, I don't want to open it. I don't want to screw up. I just want to cook it like crazy. I'll open it after 1 hour.
My custom super weapon is a marvel
I
of
just want to make sure it's cooked.
chrome plated automatic coffee line.
Okay, how's my boy today? Oh, you skinny cat. You skinny cat, just like your dad, huh? Skinny cat. Huh? What did you eat today? Huh? What did you eat? Huh? You hungry? You hungry cat? Oh, hungry cat.
You've gone too far. You've ruined everything. I just shrug and raise an eyebrow with a very casual side. I thought I just put pineapple on a pizza. High five.
Sophie, say hi. Boy, say hi, boy. Say hi. Oh, you're saying hi. Sophie, you want to say hi too? Come here. Look in the camera. Sophie, look in the camera. You fat cat. Come here, fat cat. Come here, fat cat. Mirage, don't get jealous, Mirage. Come here. Come here. Come here, Yuppie. You fat cat, Yuppie. Come, hug daddy. Come. Oh, Mirage is so jealous. Why jealous, Mirage? You black dog. You skibbity toilet. Mirage. She's a smart dog. Right? You smart? You smart dog? Can you close the door, Mirage? Go close the door. Yippee. How are you? Look. Oh yeah. Yuppie is a fat cat. A very fat cat. Yuppie is a very fat cat. We adopted her. She was lost, and we found her at a pet shelter. We decided to adopt her because she looks good. It's a lucky cat, lucky brown cat. Anyway, we'll check if our cassava cake or whatever is cooked. It's been 41 minutes now. We'll open it. What? Oh, it looks legit, folks. It looks legit. Look, I wanna try it. Oh, that's right. I'm gonna try it. Mm. I'm gonna try it. Taste test. Oh yeah. Oh. Mm. 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 Taste test. Mm. Tastes like bud bud. Mm. Mm. Really good. Tastes like bud bud. You know bud bud. I think you roll it with banana leaves. It tastes like bud bud, folks. Only better. I think I'm gonna steam it for 1 hour. So 1 hour is the good number. Really good. Okay, we're gonna open it. I'm gonna eat one, okay? It's very hot. We'll make sure there's still water on it, so I'm gonna add water. Okay, taste test. Mm. 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 Really good. Perfect for dessert. Mm. 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 Oh, man, this is good. Mm. 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 Steamed cassava. Steamed grated cassava. Tastes like bud bud. Very good. I think this is good with black coffee. I need to make some black coffee, okay? Tastes like bud bud, folks. Like traditional bud bud. You just have to wrap it with banana leaves. Mm. 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 Okay, let's continue. Why not to retire in the Philippines? The problem with the Philippines, it's so commercialized. You know, if you travel there, you know, the buildings, everything is commercialized.